We are in the beautiful area of Seal Rock, Oregon, on the Oregon coast. It is a super low tide, and today's mission is mussels. We already got them, babe. What do we need more for? So we're meeting my brother Randy and nephew Grayson down here. We're gonna head down now and see if we can find some mussel. Never harvested mussels, never eaten mussels, so this is all a new thing for us. Should have brought a rope. I feel like a goat. Yay.
I just think since we haven't had it, we've got some large, some medium, and there's all these small ones.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll come back and know which ones to get.
Grayson's down here, his dad's getting some mussels. I think we got enough mussels for us. We are going to now check out the tide pools because this area has not been this exposed in a really long time. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go see what lies beneath here.
Let's hope we'll find some cool stuff.
Yep. Okay, I think we've got enough mussels.
How many did you get, Grayson?
I got coffee.
Coffee?
Wait, no, hot chocolate.
Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, we got mussels. Randy got mussels. Dave got mussels. Grayson and I touched some things in some tide pools. There's some awesome stuff in there.
Yeah.
Some big, like big stuff.
It's like huge.
Yeah. So we're gonna take these back, and prep them, and then we will cook them tomorrow. They're actually gonna sit overnight in the fridge in salt water. So kind of got to clean them first, and then we will figure out how to cook these bad boys.
Yeah.
There's the mussels, just brought them out of the ice water in the fridge. They're all cleaned up. And this is gonna be a quick recipe, but it's gonna be very simple. That's all the ingredients right there.
Butter,
Butter,
parsley, garlic, lemon peel, red pepper flakes, black pepper,
white wine.
white wine. All
Probably
right.
wouldn't do a Chardonnay, but that's all we had, so that's what we're doing.
Okay.
And it's kind of a buttery Chardonnay, and it's a buttery dish, so.
Butter down.
Butter's down.
Wine going in.
Let's say about a cup ish.
Okay. Now the mussels go in.
We're gonna get this up to a boil.
Okay. Ooh! Bread's done.
All right.
Looking like the mussels can go in, huh?
Some buttery, winey, garlicky, lemony goodness.
Yeah. Give it a stir. Wait for these bad boys to open.
All right, a couple more minutes.
It's parsley time. You do that like an expert.
Bam. Stir.
Won't be long. Mussels are opened. Wow, if only we had smell-o-vision.
Well, if they taste like they smell, I just have no clue. I'll just eat all this bread.
Grayson's out here doing a taste test too. Now, you're having some that Randy made, his brother made. Yours turned orange.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's left of them there? How about that? Oh man, look at that. If you could smell it here, it's amazing. Okay, you're trying one of the chorizo tomato ones. What are you thinking? A lot of chewing going on. We'll get back to you. You're trying one of the white wine, one of the ones that we made. Oh, those are orange too, so I did not know they would be orange. Everybody just eats it and chews. They don't say anything. I don't know.
It's interesting.
A little chewy on the finish,
Okay.
but it's really good.
Really good flavorful.
They're good.
Grayson, you said interesting. Can you elaborate?
Just interesting.
Is it something you want to eat more of?
It's just I don't know.
You got to keep up with Randy over here. He's got a plate full.
Just give me one more.
He needs a moment to
Run.
collect his thoughts.
Give me the camera.
Okay. Okay. I will try this guy.
Like me. I'll start off with a small one.
This guy looks safe, right? No, you just
You gotta
peel
give it a
them off.
lunky in the...
Do I eat that part?
I did.
You eat all of it?
Dig in, honey.
That part makes me not want to eat it, though.
Don't get and eat it.
It's all or none.
Oh, come on.
I'm gonna hold my breath.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
You're doing just like we did. Huh, surprised.
I do need a moment to think about this. A taste of the sea.
Yeah.
It's not overly chewy
Not fishy.
and not gritty. I'm surprised. I thought that little darker spot would be grit, you know? I don't know what the anatomy of this mussel is, but that wasn't very appetizing. But
Seaweed.
yeah, basically. Okay. Now I'm gonna try one.
That's got the beard in it, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an elaborate process to clean these. So this is the part you don't eat.
Yeah, sometimes when you're cleaning and the beard pulls out, sometimes it doesn't. And then...
Wow, that's hot. Okay. Do I just eat around that?
I found Mafia Bus.
Oh, hey, I got it. I got it.
Mhm.
I took the beard out. I guess it's edible, but not tasty. So I'm
It
just
doesn't
gonna
look
leave that
tasty
there.
at all.
Doesn't this look like an alien, like Grayson said?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
does.
Definitely does. Okay, I'm gonna try the chorizo, tomato, white wine, parsley one.
More fishy.
Tastes more of the sea, and maybe it's because it's bigger, do you think?
Maybe.
I don't know. It's good though.
Yeah.
It tastes healthy, kind of. Like it tastes like a health food. I don't know how to describe it, but
I'm just all about the bread over here.
Grayson, you're going to Chowtown over here.
Yeah, look at how big this one is.
Man.
It's huge.
Well, I'd say this was a mussel success, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. My question is, they are really labor intensive start to finish. Would we harvest them again?
I would, if we're gonna have a bunch of people and have like a big mussel cookout or something, go get a big limit of them, a big pot,
Seafood spread.
you know,
Yeah.
do them all, dump them out over a big table, and let people just eat them as they want. I think that'd be kind of cool. But just to go out and just, this, it's good, but yeah, it was from the picking to the cleaning to the cooking to the mess and disposing.
But what else do we have going on today?
No, totally worth it. I'm just saying it's not something I'd want to do every day.
Wouldn't do every day. Yep, I agree.
Oh, stuff in my teeth.
Carry on.
Carry on.